Hello guys, what's good guys? How you guys doing? It's your boy David B, or you can call me Good Life guys. It's your boy David B, or you can call me Good Life guys. I'm telling you, and I know very well that it has been a long while since I posted, guys. Not because I don't want to post, but I've been really busy, guys. I've been really busy. I can't lie. I've been really busy. So, guys, before I move on to like what the juicy trades I have for you guys, I posted a trade signal on few videos before this one that I'm making right now. I posted a trade signal on NAS 100, guys, and I clearly told you guys that yes, NAS 100 was going for a buy, and there you have it right now in front of my screen. You can see that NAS 100 hit us at take profit, guys. We took profit at NAS 100, and then this is another pair. This is another trade that I wanted to catch on NAS 100, but because of how I was busy, I missed this trade, guys. I missed this trade. So now this is, by the way, guys, so I dropped a trade analysis on NAS 100 and BTC, guys. Now let's check. Guys, I love updating you guys on how my trades go. I give you guys the transparency of how my trades go. So now this is BTC. Yes, guys, BTC was not nice for me at all. BTC didn't favor me. Like after I dropped the analysis of this pair. If you want to check out the analysis, you can like go back and then check. Yeah, I dropped the analysis on this pair, and I told you guys that it was going to go for a buy. It was going to go for a buy, and yes, it did buy. It did buy to some certain point. It did buy to this level and came and broke me, stocked me out for break even. But the painful part about all these things is that price still bought after creating a double bottom around the break of neckline, which I have entered this trade. But because of how I felt on this trade, I refused to enter this trade again. I just refused to enter this trade again because of how I felt. Like this break of structure and break of counter trend line, perfect trade for us to enter and make quick money from this point to this point, guys. So BTC stocked me out on break even, so I won NAS 100 and BTC stocked me out on break even. And now, guys, let me take you to the deed of the day, guys. The deed of the day, the juicy part for today, guys. Before this time that I'm making this video, I took a trade on Ger30, which was last week. I took a trade last week on Ger30, last week Friday, before the weekly close of the forex markets. Yes, I took a trade on Ger30, and this is the trade, guys. Yep, you can clearly see. Let me explain how and why I took this trade, guys. This is like one of like the craziest and the fastest trade I've ever taken. Like say this year, apart from us30 that I took, this like almost the fastest I've taken this year. So guys, I clearly can see that price rejected here. Why I took this trade was that I saw that price rejected here, rejected this level, rejected this level, rejected this level, and price came back to this level to retest that level. So now what did I do? I scaled down to the daily time frame, and I saw that I zoomed out a bit, and I saw that yes, clearly price rejected 1 2 3, and now price is at that level again. If you go back really in time, you see that yes, we have 4 and 5, making this level a strong level of support. So I said yes, this is going to be a good trade for me to capitalize on. So I applied my counter trend line. From year to year. I applied my counter trend line, and I saw that price was actually respecting this counter trend line, because price rejected here from this candle, rejected from this candle, and rejected from this candle. And I said, okay, that's a good, that means this counter trend line is valid. So now, how did I enter the trade, guys? Now, if you can clearly see, remember guys, if you watch my videos, you see that I taught you guys about trends, and I told you that in a downtrend we have the lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, price creating a lower high, lower low, lower high. Price came back to create a lower low, but price could not create a lower low. then I knew that there was something going on, that price is actually respecting this level. So what I saw a break above in structure, not just in structure. I saw a break above in structure, and I saw a break above in counter trend line. So now let's scale down to the 4 hours time frame, which is going to actually be confusing because of how the chart looks. Is going to be actually be rough, because at that area it's like a consolidation there. Sorry guys for the break in transmission, guys. My network was lagging because of the weather condition we're having right now. It's raining, so my network was lagging. So now, I like I said, it's like a choppy movement around here, guys. It's a choppy movement around here. So how did I enter this trade? Let me kindly shift this aside. Now I dropped my counter trend line, and then I marked. If you go to the daily time frame, daily time frame, you can clearly see what I did here. I used the daily time frame I use the daily time frame levels. I use the daily time frame. Sorry, guys. I use the daily time frame to mark my levels, and I only use the 4 hours for a candle close. Like no marking of levels on the 4 hours, just a candle close, guys. Just a candle close. So now I saw this level. That time as at that time I didn't see all these candles from just this level. So now I marked the level, and then this candle you can see here, this green candle, yes, broke above. So now that was my entry, that green candle, because I used a daily entry here. And my stop loss was around there, and I took a 1:2 trade. Yes. So now there was a break of counter trend line, and there was a break of structure. Two things, guys. I used two things to enter any trade, and those two things are break of counter trend line and break of level structure. That was how I entered this Ger30 trade that you can see right now, guys. And I'm going to be posting a screenshot. Of this trade, so that you guys can know that yes, I actually took this trade. I'm going to post a screenshot of this trade, guys. Yes, I'm going to post a screenshot of this trade. So now that is it for Ger30, guys. And now, guys, I am sorry, guys, I am right now holding us30, guys. I'm holding us30, guys. So now let's go to us30E. So now, guys, you can clearly see that us30 is generally bullish. Like right now, so bullish that you can barely see entries, guys. So bullish that you can barely see entries. So now this is the daily time frame. Let's scale down to the 4 hours. I want to explain how and why I took the trade on us30. So now, guys, you can clearly see that the overall trend of us30 is bullish without any doubt. You can clearly see that is bullish. So now, when I saw this, I waited for a retracement, guys. I waited for us30 to give me a retracement. So now I always love it when I see a retracement on any, like I see a drawdown or a retracement on or a in an uptrend. We have higher highs and higher lows. I'm always happy when I see a higher low start forming. I'm always happy when I see it. So now I saw this one right here, and I loved it. And yes, I told myself that yes, I'm going to be on this trade. But I took an early entry. Now, as I right now, us30 is already moving in my profit right now. So now I applied my counter trend line from the swing high to the swing low, connecting all the touches, all the wicks, collecting all the wicks, and then I looked for my level. Yes, price must have to break a level to make sure that it is ready for another push. Price must be ready to break a level to make a new turn. Yes, like now, price created this temporary downtrend, lower low, lower high. Let me have it do it again. We have this lower low, lower high. Price could not come back to break below this level to create what they call a lower low, but price rather created this and then broke above this and then came back again and push, and now price is going to push. So now this is to tell you guys I work with levels a lot. My price action trading is basically levels and counter trend line breaks. So now I waited for a break of the counter trend line, which was this candle, and I also waited for a break of level structure. But the break of level structure I entered this trade so early. I didn't enter this trade at this break. I entered this trade somewhere around there. That was when I entered the trade, somewhere around there. So guys, yep. So those are the trades I'm currently holding right now. Let me have it. Those are the trades I'm currently holding right now. My stop loss is around there, and I'm going for a 1:2. Yes, definitely I'm going for a 1:2. So like is a little bit above here. Yep, on us30. So let me take you guys to the juicy part, the trade I have for you guys today. So guys, if you are trading platinum, guys, here is a juicy opportunity for you guys. Now this is the 4 hours time frame. I don't want to take you guys too far, but guys, if you really observe platinum, yes, I was monitoring platinum from this area, this level, which it was in a temporary downtrend, and guys, it broke above this counter trend line, but I missed the entry when it broke above the structure. Guys, see the push. It created a double bottom around there and then pushed up. Guys, guys, I give you guys the best price action training, guys. I don't know who will give you guys this, but I give you guys the best price action training, guys. So now I am looking for another opportunity to trade platinum. So right now I have seen an opportunity, guys, and platinum is currently in a retracement, guys, a temporary retracement. Everything is temporary, a temporary retracement. So now I've applied my counter trend line, and now I've applied my structure. So now the only thing I'm waiting right now on platinum is just for a candle close on the 4 hours time frame above this level, and there you have it. I am on a buy on platinum, guys. So now platinum buy, guys. I this morning I ended my buy trade on Ger30, and right now I am on us30 buy, and also right now I am telling you guys that platinum is going to buy.